I'm about to show you how to remove unwanted apps from your Android phone. I'm using a Pixel 6. Your phone may differ from mine, but hopefully this video still helps you. First, locate the settings icon. For some people, it'll be somewhere on this home screen. If you don't see it there, do an upward swipe in the middle of the screen. Here's that same swipe from another angle. If you did it correctly, it'll show a longer list of apps than what you see on your home screen. Then you can scroll down through the list and find the settings icon. Wherever you did find that settings icon, go ahead and tap it and select apps. At the top of the screen, it'll list some of them, but you want to select the option to see all. Scroll through the list and tap on the app you wish to delete. And if you're fortunate, it'll have an uninstall button. And all you have to do is tap on that and select OK to confirm. Other apps may have a disable option instead of an uninstall option. Disabling will keep the app from running on your device, but it will not delete it. Still, keeping it from running can free up resources. If you do want to proceed with disabling, go ahead and select the option. It may give you a warning message that disabling it may cause some unintended consequences on your phone. Proceed at your own risk. If you feel confident that it will not cause issues, select Disable App. You can always go back to this list and re-enable it later by just selecting it. And that's all I had to show you today. I hope it worked.